What is point? You raise point of.
कोई नतीजे पे तो नहीं पहुंचे, किसी नतीजे पे नहीं पहुंचे हम सर।
What is the point?
माइक सर, आप सेकेंड शेड्यूल देखें। स्टेट कल सब्जेक्ट जो है लॉ एंड ऑर्डर है, उसमें जब तक असिस्ट नहीं करना हो, कंसेंट नहीं हो या डिमांड नहीं हो, सेंट्रल फोर्सेज कम से कम इनकम टैक्स के ऑफिसर साथ नहीं जा सकते।
अरे इनकम टैक्स सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का है, स्टेट का नहीं है।
खुद सुना है कि 120 इनकम टैक्स के लोगों के साथ 200 लोग गए हुए थे।
What is it? And what is the rule? You
Sir,
tell
allow
me.
me to read. 257.
Yes, Anand Sharma, which one?
Sir,
Rule or
257.2.
constitution, what?
257.2.
One second.
It deals with the
Which rule?
control of 257.1 and 2.
257.
Now, Constitution. Sir, sir. No. Sir, the executive power.
Okay.
The executive power of the union shall also extend to giving of directions to a state as to the construction and maintenance and means of communication declared in the direction to be of national or military importance. If only then they can give a direction even. But the central forces cannot be, the state list is clear, cannot be sent for any purpose. No direction under the Constitution otherwise can be given to an elected state government. It's very clear violation. We are a federal country. We are a federal country. It is neither, it is what is say, the means of communication declared in the direction to be of national or military importance. Where is the national importance? Where is the military importance? It's very clear. It's very clear. So, what has happened is illegal.
Yes.
Not a question.
What is
So, I'm not going into the right of the income tax to go and raid. Timing is not coincidence.
that is what
That they have gone now. Now they have sent the central forces with the income tax officers without informing the state government. What is happening? This cannot be accepted.
What is there, Ramesh?
This cannot be accepted.
There, Ramesh. बोलिए. बोलो. I can't hear.
ये मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि देश भर से लूटा हुआ पैसा कहीं भी ले जाए, वहाँ सेंट्रल फोर्सेज जा ही सकती है। सर, सेंट्रल एनफोर्समेंट है। Your mic, सेंट्रल एक्ट है।
There are Ramesh mic.
Naresh Agarwal pointed out to you that you were instigating members for raising zero-hour issues, and you said you will examine and expunge if anything objectionable.
Yeah.
Now, I did not hear the minister moving the bill.
Yeah.
And you said, go check your ears. So that is also wrong, sir. You please expunge those from the bill.
All right.
Because I cannot hear at all.
Did I say that?
There's so much. Yes, you said it. You said, go check your ears. Sir, this is not right, sir.
No, you do it only if your ear has some problem. Otherwise, don't do it.
No, it's not right. I can't hear, sir.
I will. But my advice is, you do check your ear only if you have some hearing problem. Otherwise, don't do that.
Sir, I cannot hear him moving now.
But however, I will explain it. Now, honorable members, I am not able to conduct. I am helpless. I am not able to proceed. Opposition side on the bell shouting slogans. Government side on the other side shouting slogans. The chair is helpless. I have no other go other than adjourning the house. I'll be forced to adjourn the house. I am sorry. I am helpless. I will have to adjourn the house. I will have to adjourn the house. House stands adjourned till 11 hours on Thursday, the 3rd August 2017. Kal ke liye adjourn.